Whoa, that was a nice one. Going. Oh, no, I missed. Go Ogre. Oh, you forgot to turn it off. All right. Whoa. Oh, that was a good one. The blue jeep is a crazy. Oh, that's a nice one. It was a total backflip. Oh my goodness, have you seen that? Whoa, Ogre is a beast. Oh yeah, on that side. Whoa! Oh, heavy duty. No, he's not even going. He needs a push.
Why was he?
Oh yeah.
I said it was mine.
It was your turn. Okay, arrange everything.
Hey.
Who's going? Oh, no one is going. So is that the new idea? Catch her. Is it holding? That's that's amazing. You have the remote. Ready? Oh, catch her didn't work. Let's try again. Oh no, he can't make it. My dump truck is coming. Oh yes, attacking. No, Ogres, don't ruin me. No. I need to get out. I need to get out.